hair is a little messy. So why is it important to track your macros? There's lots of things that comes with tracking your macros. Not only do you get good health, but there's lots of good benefits that come from tracking your health. You're able to keep track of your shredding process, and that's very important. If you want to shred, you want to get lean, you need to track your macros, because this is going to help you actually achieve your goals and not just make it a fantasy. What I use is Myfitnesspal. I have it down in the description down below. It's free. You can download it on the App Store. One of the things that I will say about it is, if you want to get more features to it, you have to pay, and that's one of the downsides. But all you need is just your protein intake and carbs and fats. Yeah, that's the only things you really need to track. All right, so the way that you track your calories is very, very simple. So for every pound that you weigh, you want to times it by 1. And 1 gram of protein is basically going to be how much protein that you're going to intake into your body. Okay, you want to make that a priority, because if you don't, then you're basically not going to be making much progress. That's a first. Just keep that in mind, because this will come back whenever you want to shred. Next, you want to track your calories. You want to figure out how much is your maintenance. And what you want to do is basically you want to figure out how much you weigh. If you weigh 170, you want to times that by 15. So per every pound, it should be 15. You can just do the math there. If you want to do a surplus, you add 200. If you want to get in a deficit, you do minus 300. And that's basically how you get into tracking your macros. I'll go ahead and show you in the app, so that way if you guys want to do it, you can follow this step and everything.
All right, so let me go ahead and show you how to do it. So this is like the main interface and what you're going to look at. It has your calories, your weight, steps, and you can track other things, but you of course got to pay for this. So you want to go ahead and click on the icon and click on the settings, and then go to goals. And then from there, you can click, what you want to put in. You can also input your nutrition goals. And that's what's pretty cool about this app, because it's very customizable. I like to use the 20-40-40 split. And from here, you could literally just put in what you eat every single day from your breakfast, lunch. And this is me just showing you an example. Let's say we ate some Chick-fil-A chicken strips. So this app actually shows you how much protein, fats, and carbs it has, as well as the calories. So it's not only just a good thing to have, but it's also a good way to check your food and how much you're intaking.
So if you guys found this very helpful, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.